In the aftermath of Florida's recent hurricanes, many homeowners find themselves facing unexpected challenges. If your home has suffered damage and you're wondering how to finance the necessary repairs, you're not alone. Debbie Cooley Mortgage understands the struggles hurricane victims face and is here to help. Debbie Cooley Mortgage offers a variety of mortgage options tailored specifically for those affected by these natural disasters. Whether you need a reverse mortgage or home repair financing, we provide solutions that can ease your financial burden. Imagine having the funds to repair your home and restore your peace of mind. With Debbie Cooley Mortgage, this isn't just a dream, it's a possibility. Debbie is supportive and will guide you through the process, making it as seamless as possible. Don't wait any longer to rebuild what nature has taken away. Reach out to Debbie Cooley Mortgage today and let us help you navigate through these difficult times. Debbie Cooley is ready to assist you in securing the financial support you need. Call Debbie now and take the first step towards restoring your home and your future. At Debbie Cooley Mortgage, your recovery is our priority.